In this video, I'm going to show you how to see transaction history in Exness. Now to do this, you want to sign into your Exness personal area. You want to go to Trading, top left, and click on History of Orders. In here, you can see your transaction history for your accounts. Click on the account you want to see it for. For example, I'm going to do this one. But of course, if you do an account where you don't have a trading history, it's going to pop up like this where you don't have any open or closed orders, okay? So it's going to tell you actually don't have any. I'm actually going to go to this one here where you can see I have closed and open orders. You can also filter by time, so we can go start and end over here, and you can then of course go all time as well if you wanna. You can see the type, opening time, lots, etc. And of course, you can download this as a CSV. It goes up to 1,000 records maximum, as you can see. And of course, you can see your transaction history in a spreadsheet as well with the CSV download. Now, what you can also do is see your transaction history for the past day inside your Exness terminal. So if I click on that to open up this web trading terminal here, you'll see in a second, I can also check my transaction history. You have to be on your account where you actually have trades. Pull this up at the bottom and you can go to pending and closed, and of course here for the last one day it's going to show you your transaction history, which is of course very recent. So that's how to see transaction history. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.